Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just wanted to share with you a really quick grocery haul. We just got back from the grocery store and I'm getting ready to make about 8 crock pot meals ahead of time. So I'm going to prep these 8 meals, but what I have over here is actually probably going to make at least double that since it's just my husband and I. 8 meals will go a lot further because they're 8 full meals. I think they're like family size meals according to the recipes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what I got, and then if you want to see me meal prep these 8 meals for the crock pot, then definitely stick around because that's probably going to be my next video. The great thing about the meals that I will be making in my next video is that you freeze them ahead of time, so they're all fresh and frozen, and then you just drop them in your crock pot like before you head to work, or at least that's what I'll be doing. And then yeah, you don't have to cook any of the ingredients ahead of time because it's all frozen and it goes straight to the crock pot, but all the ingredients are combined into one Ziploc bag. So let's go ahead and jump into the grocery haul, and like I said, be sure to subscribe if you want to see the next video on the meals that I'm actually making with all of these groceries. So these are all of the groceries that I got, and this was all for definitely under $200, and I'm pretty sure this was under $150 even, because we got some items that weren't groceries at all, so and our bill was still under $200. So anyways, I'll just go through and let you know what I got. I've got a bunch of orange juice here. This is my favorite kind from Florida's Natural. I like it with pulp or without pulp, and this is actually for my morning smoothies, and then of course my husband may have that, like a glass of orange juice with his breakfast. And then let's just start with the frozen stuff. I have this sort of fruit medley, I guess. It comes with pineapple, sliced strawberries, peaches, and mango. I thought this would be really nice to add to my breakfast smoothie in the morning. And then blueberries are pretty much the main thing that I have in my smoothies. So I do definitely only use the wild blueberries because those are supposed to be a lot better for you according to my naturopath. I've got 60-ounce bag, or actually that's 12-ounce bag of corn for one of the meals, and then butternut squash. I got this fresh actually. I wanted to find it frozen, but I couldn't at the Walmart I went to, so I went ahead and got that fresh. And then I've got 2 bags of frozen green beans, also for, well, this is all for my crock pot meals, so I can stop saying that, I guess. Teriyaki for a chicken meal that I'll be making. And over here we've got canned diced tomatoes, and these are all organic tomato sauce. 2 cans of that. I've got 2 cans of dark red kidney beans that are organic. I've got a smaller bag of those tortilla dip chips, or whatever you call them, chip dippers, to go with one of the chicken meals that I'll be doing. And then this is something new I've never tried before. It's mild green jalapeno jelly. I was looking for just like hot pepper jelly, but I literally could not find that. If you guys know where to find that, let me know. So I did have to get the mild green jalapeno jelly, so I hope that works out. That's for one of my recipes. And then I was almost out of cumin. Went ahead and picked up some of that. And then I don't even know how to say this kind of pepper. I probably should check that first, but anyways, you can read it. So I got this for a beef dish that I'm going to be doing in the crock pot, and it's going to go on sandwiches, like mixed in with the beef. And what's this? That's the kidney beans. Okay, fresh. I had to pick up some tomatoes for a fajita dish that I make in the crock pot. Some red bell peppers. One of the recipes called for stir fry, but Doug is not too into some of the vegetables that come in stir fry, so I went ahead and just got this California blend. So it's just like carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli because we do enjoy that. And then I also got some guacamole, so I don't have to make it. Actually, this is just chunky avocado that's going to go on the fajitas that I'm going to make too. This is for that I mentioned, like a beef and pepper sandwich. I got these rolls for that. And then because I don't have much time, I went ahead and got the lazy person's fresh peeled garlic. I needed like a dozen garlic cloves, and I didn't feel like peeling all those, so I went ahead and got an easy version of that. This is a new brand of rice that I'm trying, so we'll see how that goes. I got Dijon mustard. And then, of course, for the fajitas, I got some tortillas. And then, you can tell, Doug came with me because this is definitely his kind of snack. Sometimes he'll even have some of these for lunch. But yeah, we got some pizza rolls there. And then organic eggs for Doug's breakfast. And then I got two, I believe, how much is this? I needed 4 pounds of chicken. This is pretty close to it, so I got 2 packages of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and then lots of meat here. Oh yeah, I got a beef chuck roast. I needed 2 of those because I needed, what did I need? I need like 4 pounds of those, so again, this is pretty close to 4 pounds. So I got 2 packages of beef chuck roast. And then lastly, I got a boneless pork loin roast, and I think that's about it as far as all the groceries we got. This is gonna make 8 full-size meals, so that's probably gonna last double for my husband and I. And yeah, so be sure, like I said, to stick around and subscribe if you want to see me meal prep all of those meals. It's supposed to take under an hour to do, so we'll see. I'm about to get started on that, and I will share it in my next video. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did and you'd like to see more videos like this, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!